Simplicity, patience. This fortress takes 2 hours, or defeat. Cake is citadel. Ice cream, stealthy troops. Measure sugar or mutiny. H. Slice the cake, line parchment, mound ice cream. If the core thaws, the meringue collapses like a breached wall. So, whip whites, forge shield. Torch, golden bastion. No retreat. Slice clean, steam erupts like battle smoke, revealing the icy heart encased in fluffy meringue. Dessert conquered. Sweet victory, no casualties. Baked Alaska. Ingredients: 1 pound sponge cake or pound cake, baked and cooled, cut into a 9-inch round. 2 cups vanilla ice cream, softened. 4 large egg whites. 1 cup granulated sugar. 1/4 teaspoon cream of tartar. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, optional. Pinch of salt. Pinch of salt. And score. Preparation. Step 1. Preheat the oven to 500 F and position a rack up. Step 2. Place the 9-inch cake round on a heat-proof ceramic. Step 3. Spread the softened vanilla ice cream in an even. Step 4. Freeze the cake topped with ice cream for at least